Ubade maya sengshai editor jongka kot kubor umopor ulah sajit kumu presiden batemai jongka Shillong Press Club. Hadin ba ulayo kanai puwe buat hak election jit temai ya kinuk kitkam. Kebala penlong hakasan tarik naitung arjar posau haka Shillong trikam jongka club. Uba Dominic Savio dingdo jongka T7 ulah job sukum u General Secretary krem nadon bay kun persya. Ya gane ke election jit temai ya kinuk kitkam jongka Shillong Press Club. Lapan yait deka Directorate of Information and Public Relations jongka Sarkar Jela. Ubade maya sengshai ubala job uyo kanai puwe buat Bajo tangkiu jongka bate CTV uyo Henry punyo buat baru ba Rafael Warjri jongka Shillong Media Plus uyo Henry buat kibaya kuni kakam presiden na kabenta kakam treasurer uba Gershom Hat editor jong Pikngor ula job dak bayo shispa akalai buat kat bau ba Martino Klau uyo sanfeu buat ha kane ka jingjit nokit kam batemai baro kiba poite buat kilong shispa andrup saungut
Sendiri gitu. Requested to conduct the election for the Shillong Press Club, which is, I believe, is a prestigious institution, because all of you are professionals, all of you are prestigious, all of you are esteemed. With that in mind, we thought how to start with it and strike a balance with all the views that every member has in their capacity. Somehow, the members nominated by Shillong Press Club were so helpful. All of you were so disciplined, and today, especially in the elections, my officials' report was very good. That's why Commissioner Secretary was so happy to come down by himself, because we reported that it was so smooth. Everyone was so disciplined, and everyone was so excited. And, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Let's hope so. From now onwards, all of us will be together. All the members will be supporting the new president, new general secretary, and treasurer. And you will be having. The idea is the decision in the committee meeting is that the new president and general secretary will call a general body meeting where the other posts will be filled out by election or selection by head count or hands count. So I hope all of you will be unanimous in that. All of you will cooperate with them. Together we can do so many things, because you have lost so many things, so many facilities as journalists. So in the days and years to come, for the next 3 years, I leave the responsibility to your new president, general secretary, treasurer, and the new executive committee, along with all the members, esteemed members, that together we will be able to build a more transparent, more vibrant Shillong Press Club. With these few words, I congratulate the president, the general secretary, and the treasurer. May God bless you. May God give you wisdom in leading your colleagues who are also very esteemed, very respectable. And let's put our trust in them to take this Shillong Press Club into higher, newer heights. Thank you very much. May God bless you all.
I would like to thank all my colleagues, all my members who have shown your confidence in me to be your new president. And I hope with your cooperation, with your support, we will move ahead to make a press club, a vibrant press club, not only in Shillong, not only in Meghalaya, but in the Northeast and in India as a whole. I would like to thank all the members for making the election a very smooth and successful one. I also would like to thank the commissioner, the director, and all the officers of the DIPR who has conducted a smooth and transparency and a democratic way of conduct an election today. And we hope from today onward we will move ahead so that all the pending programs will be implemented from now onwards. And I also request each and every member to that from now on we will work together as a team to make the club a more functional and a more active club in the state. Thank you so much.
First of all, I would like to thank the Directorate of Information and Public Relations for conducting this election in a very smooth and successful manner, and of course my press colleague who have put their confidence in me in choosing me as the general secretary. And yes, of course, I won without any opposition, but still then I would like to thank each and everyone who had decided to contest, and then later on decided not to contest to give me the chance to be the secretary, general secretary of this press club. I hope together we can work and we can sit and form a new EC that can function, that can be function in such a way to move this entire press club and the colleagues of the press in a way that is up to this date with the technology and the facilities that's available to us. We can surely move ahead and prove that this press club will be one of the best in the Northeast. Thank you.
First, I would like to thank the Department of the IPR that they have put up this election for after 14 years. So, that I thank all the colleagues from print and electronic media that they have supported me as a treasurer of the club. And I hope everyone from now onward we will work together as a club so that we can do all the pending issues that we have been in trouble in these few years. So with this few words, I thank all everyone, and especially the director of the APR. Thank you. God bless you.
Okay.